guys, my name is Nikias. So there's a bunch of Apple Watch models and you guys are always asking me, what is the difference between the Apple Watch Nike version compared to the standard Apple Watch? So in this video, I'm gonna be telling you every single difference that there is, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna be telling you which one you should buy. Okay, so first things first, the packaging. The unboxing and the setup process is a bit different than the standard Apple Watch. If we actually go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch Nike version, we're gonna get the Nike logo and the Nike branding in the entire box, and the actual paper, there's a bunch of Nike Apple Watch bands. Now, once we actually go ahead and set up the Apple Watch, we're actually gonna be presented with a green Apple Watch interface instead of a standard white. On the setup process, you'll also be prompted to install the Nike Plus app, which we're gonna be talking in just a second. So it's basically automatically installed in your watch. If we take a look at the back of the watch as well, we'll also be able to see the Nike version for you to differentiate if you have a Nike watch or not. So aesthetically, the design of the Apple Watch Series 7 and the Apple Watch Series 7 Nike version is exactly the same, apart from the Nike logo on the back. What is different in the box as well is that you'll also get a Nike Apple Watch band. Now, you can buy these separately, so if you wanna buy the standard Apple Watch and then later on you wanna buy a Nike version Apple Watch band, you can do that. I absolutely love this sport loop with the Nike logo. If we actually go ahead and take out the Velcro, we'll get the Apple Watch and Nike logo over there, and then the Nike logo all the way on the actual Apple Watch band. So I gotta say, this is like a super hype beast Apple Watch band. I think it looks great, and it's probably one of my favorite bands that Apple has released. You also get the sport bands, which have a bunch of dots, which are great for running because, well, it's a very breathable band. All the bands that Nike sells with Apple are very breathable bands because, of course, they're made for running. Now, once you've set up the Apple Watch Nike version, well, you'll have a couple differences that the standard Apple Watch doesn't have, including Nike watch faces. Now, if you don't have the Apple Watch Nike version, you will not be able to install these watch faces, so they are exclusive to the Apple Watch Nike version. And with the Apple Watch Series 7, we get one new watch face, which is the Bounce watch face. It's very interactive and reacts to your motion. It looks great. I think it's a very fun watch face. You can change the colors. You can make it yours depending on which Apple Watch band you actually have. Apart from the Bounce watch face, you'll also get a couple other exclusive watch faces with your Nike version. They look great. You can change the complications. You can change the colors. Here's a hidden trick that nobody knows about the Apple Watch Nike version. At least everybody that I know that they have the Apple Watch Nike version, and once I tell them, they're like, whoa, I didn't know that. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I think it's a very fun Easter egg. If you actually tap on the Nike logo, it will actually redirect you on the Nike Plus Run Club app. Now, this is super cool because any logo that you see, it doesn't matter if it's a very small complication or a big complication, if you tap, it will redirect you to the app. Now, what is the Nike Plus Run Club do on the Apple Watch? It's a workout app that is very different than Apple's workout app. It's more oriented, of course, for running, and you'll get guided runs, which is super cool. So once you're running and you have your AirPods on, you'll hear keep going, or you've got 5 more kilometers to go to cheer you and to make you keep on going, which is pretty cool. You'll also be able to trace your pace. If you like running, you always like improving on your pace. So directly from the Nike Plus Run app, you'll be able to see exactly that. And so that's what the Nike Run Club app does. Now, you'll also be able to add complications for your pace, for the winning streak, so you'll always be able to see how you're doing, which is pretty cool. So the Nike Run Club app is very awesome, but keep in mind that you can also install the Nike Run Club app on the standard Apple Watch. So what is really different with the Nike version? Well, don't forget, you've got those custom watch faces and you're gonna get that Apple Watch band. So should you buy the Nike version of the Apple Watch? And the answer is, well, it depends on what you want. The Nike version is way much better because it is the exact same price. Plus, you're also going to be able to get a couple other watch faces that are exclusive to the Apple Watch. So which one is better? Obviously the Nike version, because once again, it's the same price. But here's the thing. If you don't want a Nike watch band, you're going to have to stick with the standard one. So if I were you, I would get a Nike version. I would get an awesome Apple Watch band. And then later on the road, you'll get other Apple Watch bands. But the clear winner is the standard Apple Watch because it's the same price, extra watch faces. Why not? Thank you for watching. Be happy because life is good, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.